This is a premium milk frother by Bean Envy, and look how awesome this is. This comes with its own stand, and all you have to do is put a couple AA batteries in it, and it works fantastic. This can whip your hot chocolate, your coffee. It's going to even whip up some eggs for you. So let me show you how it works. All you have to do is put in some AA batteries, close it up, and then you just push on this button. Wow, powerful, right? This can go up to 19,000 RPM. Pretty fast, huh? So let me show you how it works. I made myself a nice hot cup of coffee, and I have a little bit of milk. So all we're gonna do is get our milk frother and put it inside. Whoa, look at that go. Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, looks like it's ready. Beautiful. Do you see this foam? So nice. Let me take a sip. Just like my local coffee shop. I was sent this from Bean Envy, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.